Oh, yeah, hello guys. I found another RageBait channel. Yeah, now he's trying to do RageBait for views. But I won't tolerate this disrespect to innocent YouTubers. So I'm gonna go and report him. Unlike the other things, I'm gonna go actually report this dude. So yeah, you can go see this. But then I'll try to see. Let's go and report the user. And now, hate, harassment and cyberbullying. And then I'm selecting the videos except for the first one and the last one, and also this because it's fake. This, and then but then this channel is RageBait, so I'm gonna select all of the videos. Why, YouTube? Why did you have to do that to me? Let's go and go teach this guy and listen. You follow the YouTube TOS cap. Harassment and cyberbullying. Once again, select, selecto, selecta, and then next. Additional notes. RageBait content. No, that's RageBait content. RageBait content. Yeah, now done. I hope your channel gets deleted and Fatherless Albert. Anyways, good.